Hi students, welcome back. Hope you all are fine. Did you enjoy your Christmas? Okay, good. How was your exam? Okay, very good. Let's start a new game. Bring the bad home. For that, we want to open a software, TuxPaint. How can we open TuxPaint? Applications, Education, TuxPaint. This is the window of TuxPaint. In the previous videos, I explained about TuxPaint, right? Okay. In this game, you want to bring the bad home. For that, you want to click the new tool. We can see different colors of canvas here. Using the down arrow, we can click the pictures and select the word tree. Okay, and then click open. Now we can see the bad home. Can you see the little bird? Yes, you want to show the way to little bird to reach the nest. Okay. Dear children, can you see the pictures here? Yes, you want to write down the name of each pictures and color the box in which the words are written. Okay. Dear students, all of you open your IT text and write down the names. First one, Tara. Then second one, which picture is this? Yes, Pana. You want to write down Pana below the picture. Okay. Next, which picture? Yes, Tavala. You want to write down Tavala below this picture. Okay. Next, which picture? Yes, Parava. You want to write down Parava below this picture. Okay. Next one? Yes, Kood. You want to write down Kood below this picture. Okay. Next, which picture? Yes, Vala. You want to write down Vala below this picture. Next, which picture? Yes, Veed. You want to write down Veed below this picture. Okay. Next, which picture? Yes, Tata. You want to write down Tata below this picture. Okay. Next, which picture? Yes, Pena. You want to write down Pena below this picture. Next, which picture? Yes, Chirava. You want to write down Chirava below this picture. Okay. According to the given pictures, you want to color the tree and show the way to little bird. Okay. For selecting color, click magic tool at the left side of this window. And we can see the subtools on the right side. And select the fill tool. We can see color pattern at the bottom. And we can select any color and click it on the tree. Okay. First one, Tara. Next, Pana. Next, Tavala. Next, Parava. Next, Kood. Next, Vala. Next, Veed. Next, Tatta. Next, Pena. Last, Chirava. Okay. Through this colorful way, the little bird reached the nest. Okay, children. Look carefully how the little bird reached the nest. I think all of you understood this game. Right? Okay. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.